Our hands are one of the amazing results of hundreds of thousands of years of evolution of life on Earth. They are a key to our ability to adapt, to our survival. Technical marvels, sure, but also impressive through the space they hold in the human experience. Our sense of touch contributes to building our understanding of reality. We lend a hand to someone who needs it. We applaud an accomplishment that impresses us. We raise our hand to express ourselves. We shake hands when we meet. We give a pat on the back to congratulate and motivate our kids. What are we doing with our 10 fingers today? Since the Industrial Revolution, our mastery over energy sources has allowed the mechanization of manual labor, increasing production capacity. We have split work in simple, repeatable tasks. Some are done by machines, others by millions of workers on a line, with no time to think beyond the movement to repeat over and over. Can we really say the situation has improved with the digital age? While it is true that technology has freed us from many chores, how much time do we simply spend feeding information to machines? With our fingers by tapping on keys and tapping on smartphone screens. Thanks to their biomechanics, and because our brain allocates a significant share of its attention span, our hands can do exceptional things. Hands busy with tasks, as repetitive as they are, keep the mind busy. When we free those hands from repetitive tasks, we free the mind. We allow talent and expertise to express itself, to do more, better. At Robotiq, we work and innovate to free human hands from repetitive tasks. Just like planes don't flop their wings, we are not looking to recreate the human hand as it exists already. We are looking to equip robots with sufficient dexterity so that human hands can be freed from repetitive tasks. Our goal is to free hands at our clients' premises so they can access the true value of their teams and move their business forward. Hands-Freed is also lived daily at Robotiq. We must constantly improve so we can use our hands where they have a positive impact. To this day, we have freed hundreds of hands everywhere on the planet. In 10 years, Hands-Freed will be counted in tens or even hundreds of thousands. All those hands, free to think and express themselves, will then push the world forward and take care of what truly matters to them.